wealth. And when black people don't have ownership, we have ownership of nothing. Even the richest of black people are employed, Baba. They are CEOs, they are tokens, they own nothing. They are nothing. Even the richest of our black people are employed. They are CEOs, they are tokens of big companies. They don't own. Ownership is in the hands of white people, of foreigners, of Europeans, of colonizers. We don't own nothing. Nothing. That's why we can't develop nothing.
Does it make sense for you, Mike, that Jozini Dam, massive pool of resource of water, the rights thereof are under one man, and there's a community, and there's very fertile land there for farming and agriculture. The community has to buy water, or let's put it this way, the government, make it even worse, buys water from him for the community.
Our Earth, a blue planet. From space, the vastness of water is clear. Oceans cover over 70% of the Earth's surface. This simple fact underscores a crucial truth. Our planet is abundant in water. We often hear about water scarcity, but this narrative requires a closer look. While it's true that fresh water, the water we need for drinking and agriculture, is a smaller percentage of the total, it's not as rare as some would have us believe. The Earth's water is in constant motion, a continuous cycle of evaporation, precipitation and flow. This cycle ensures that water is constantly being replenished. Yes, there are regional variations in rainfall and freshwater availability. However, these variations are part of natural cycles, not indicators of a global water shortage. Imagine a drop of water falling as rain in a tropical rainforest. That drop might be absorbed by a plant, eventually returning to the atmosphere through transpiration, or it might flow into a river, meandering towards the ocean. Evaporation from the ocean surface lifts that water back into the atmosphere, forming clouds that eventually release their precious cargo as rain, snow, or hail. This is the water cycle, a continuous, dynamic process that has been shaping our planet for billions of years. It's a testament to nature's remarkable ability to replenish and sustain life. Understanding the water cycle is crucial to debunking myths about water scarcity. Water is not a finite resource constantly being depleted. It's a renewable resource, constantly being renewed through this elegant natural process. If water is so abundant, why do we hear so much about water scarcity? The answer is complex, but a significant part of it lies in mismanagement, inequality, and, in some cases, outright corruption. Water resources are often poorly managed, leading to waste and inefficient distribution. In many parts of the world, access to clean water is a matter of privilege, not a basic right. Powerful interests, often driven by profit, manipulate water resources for their benefit, leaving marginalized communities vulnerable. These factors create artificial scarcity, where water is plentiful but inaccessible to those who need it most. Section 4. Climate change, a natural history. Climate change is a reality, but it's crucial to understand its full context. Our planet's climate has been changing for billions of years, long before humans arrived on the scene. Ice ages have come and gone, sea levels have risen and fallen. Natural cycles, driven by solar activity, volcanic eruptions and other factors, have shaped our planet's climate throughout its history. However, it's essential to recognize that climate change is not a new phenomenon. It's a natural process. Section 5. Shifting sands, shifting narratives. Throughout history, humans have migrated in response to environmental changes. When faced with drought, famine, or other climate-related challenges, people moved to more hospitable regions. This migration was not seen as a crisis, but as a natural adaptation to a changing world. Today, however, fixed borders and political realities often prevent such movements. This creates a situation where climate change impacts are felt more acutely, as people are less able to adapt by moving to more favorable areas. It's crucial to be aware of the historical context of human migration in response to climate change. This understanding can help us develop more compassionate and effective policies to address the challenges of a changing climate in the 21st century.
For centuries, Africa's story was written by others, enslavers, colonizers, outsiders who shaped a narrative to control minds and futures. Mainstream media has long painted Africa as broken, helpless, but that's not our truth. We are creators, dreamers, builders, our ancestors forged empires. Today we're shaping the future, our way. It's time to reclaim our narrative, tell our stories, celebrate our victories. Africans must control the pen that writes our future. Rise up, speak out, the world is listening. Africa's story is ours to tell. Let's write it together.
That's a wrap, folks. But before you go, keep this in mind. Their smoke and mirrors are just theatrics, pulling your focus from what truly matters. The real fight? It's always been about the land and the economy. Stay sharp, stay woke, and we'll catch you next time.
The most important person in the world is the storyteller. The storyteller sets the vision, values, and agenda of an entire generation to come. Steve Jobs.